Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which finds depth of an N-Ary tree. First, let us take an example. The number of levels for this N-Ary tree is 4, hence the depth will be 4. Next, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, to depth of tree function. So ptr will point to 1. Now as ptr is not null, we take a max depth variable and initialize it to 0 and check for all children and find the max depth. We run a for loop from begin to end of the adjacency list of 1, which consists of children of node 1. We store the max of max depth and depth of children of node. So we pass the first child of 1, which is 7, using a call stack. Since ptr is not null, we take a max depth variable initialized to 0. Now 7 has no children, so adjacency list of 7 will be null, hence we don't iterate in the for loop. We return max depth plus 1 to the previous call, so we return 1. Execution for node 1 is resumed and now max depth will be 1 as 1 is greater than 0. We iterate for the next child of node 1, which is 8. So ptr will now be 8. Since ptr is not null, we initialize max depth to 0. Again, as node 8 does not have any children, the adjacency list of 8 will be null and we don't iterate in the for loop and return max depth plus 1, that is 1. Since max of 1 and 1 is 1, max depth remains 1. Now we pass the next child of 1, which is 3. So ptr will point to 3. Since ptr is not null, we initialize max depth to 0 for 3. Then we run a for loop twice as 3 has 2 children and return max depth of both iterations. So first ptr will be 5. Since ptr is not null, we take a max depth variable initialized to 0. Since node 5 does not have any children, we don't iterate in the for loop and return max depth plus 1, that is 1. Now max depth becomes 1 as 1 is greater than 0. Since node 3 has a second child, which is 4, ptr will point to 4. Again, as ptr is not null, we take a max depth variable initialized to 0. Now as node 4 does not have any child, we don't iterate in the for loop and return max depth plus 1, which is 1. Max depth for node 3 remains 1 as max of 1 and 1 will be 1. We have iterated for both the children of node 3 and hence we come out of the for loop and return max depth plus 1, which is 2 to the previous call. Execution for node 1 is resumed and max depth will now be 2 as 2 is greater than 1. Since we have iterated for all the children of node 1, we come out of the for loop and return max depth plus 1, which is 3, and that is the depth of this N-Ary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.